Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about the best, well, not the best, but the soil recipe that I use for growing a Monstera indoors. So this is a recipe just for when I grow a Monstera indoors. It's going to help with saturated soil problems or any overly wet soil. This mixture is going to be really light, and it's going to help making sure that everything drains. So just a quick overview: the mixture is equal parts regular potting soil, perlite, and I use Miracle Grow just regular perlite, and then orchid bark. I like to get it's coarse grade orchid bark. There's also fine grade, but the coarse I find works a little bit better. So it's super simple. You just do equal parts. So you can do like one handful soil. We'll do two. Okay, so 2 handfuls soil, 2 handfuls of orchid bark, and then 2 handfuls of perlite. And then mix it together. And what you'll notice is after you've mixed it, you're gonna notice that the soil it's really chunky, and it looks kind of thin, and it looks a little bit like clumpy and gravelly, or not gravelly, but it looks like, there's big pieces of orchid bark. This is Monsteras really like growing in this kind of condition because it lets their roots get a lot of air, and it keeps them from being too soggy. So if you're going to grow Monstera indoors, remember coarse orchid bark, perlite, and regular soil. Any topsoil works, or potting soil. I believe this is the Kellogg brand. I buy it at Lowe's. And just do equal parts. So equal parts this one, equal parts that one, equal parts this one. Mix it together, and if it feels a little bit too clumpy, that's actually perfect. The Monsteras like this growing condition. So use it for your Monstera growing indoor. And then I made a video about the pots that I like to use for indoor Monsteras. I like the terracotta, so if you want to check that out. But other than that, good luck growing your pots or your Monsteras.